How to change lock screen's clock style on iOS 16 in an easy step-by-step process. I am Lisa from Create Login Delete. After watching this video, if a problem is solved, make sure to like the video for algorithm and consider subscribing if you are new. Now let's jump into the process. Firstly, unlock your lock screen by entering passcode or Face ID. After that, long press on your lock screen. Now you can see this option of customize at the bottom. Tap on it. Now tap on the clock in this way. Over here you can select the font and color. You can choose any of the font, and then also you can select the color in this way. After you are done, just tap on done given at the top right corner. Now tap on the option set as wallpaper pair. You can see that it is set. In this way, you can easily change lock screen's clock style on iOS 16. At the end, if you find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. And please let us know in the comment section what video YouTube recommends you on the screen, and I will see you there.